Hello, welcome back to the Green Zara Vlogs, Big and CS. Today we started the video right here. Okay, right now I'm on Melville Street. I'm here with my craft. If you can see, you know what I'm saying, where is it? Right, you can see the craft. So I'm here with the craft. I'm about to go campaigning, right? You can see it. So I'm about to turn on the camera, turn around the camera big and see it so y'all can see the cruise that's in. But I'm gonna give all y'all a little heads up of what y'all about to see today, or like my activities for today. Well, I'm about to go deliver some bills. Um, I have to buy some beads. I have to do some delivery. I have to campaign, obviously. Hopefully later on in the evening I'll be able to do that. Show you all the sunset on Grenada's beach later on. They can see us. Sorry. So if you find I'm moving around the camera too much, but yeah. So yeah, that's the event, and today on the port we have piano cruises. You can see us. So let me turn on the camera and show all of you. They can see us. Alright, so that's piano cruises. I'll give you all a little zoom up right now. This this is what piano cruises looks like. That's all the zoom for real. Zoom back out. Alright, 1x, 2x. I can't 4x. Interesting. I can't 4x, guys. Well, anyway, as you can see, the two ships that's outside there. Probably the camera give you all a good capture. And I'm about to walk through the area. Hopefully, you all can see different angles of the ships during the stream today. So let's go campaigning, looking for more notice, more compliments, followers on social media. Alright. And here I'm walking down the street, as you can see. Alright. People walking, yeah, few people walking down this path right now. A lot of vehicles passing, you know what I'm saying? And I kind of had to move a little quickly, if you can see. I'm moving a bit quickly right now. Got a campaign, obviously, for more notice on the side here, so where's him? Yeah. Uh, Here they, so they continue. Heal up. Yeah, so you can see this kind of race right now. The people coming and going from funeral, buses, kids. I don't even know what is the time now. So I'm going on the construction site. That look interesting. What's some use on the construction site? No, I'm not. KFC on the construction. We got jerk chicken. Heal up. Alright. Alright.